We will study loops in Python, for and while. Python has two types of loops, for and while loop. For loop iterates over a sequence of values using a variable and statement. While loop execute a block of code repeatedly as long as the condition is true. For loop syntax is for variable in sequence and the statement. Example, for I in range 5, print I, so this will print numbers from 1 to 5. While loop executes a block of code repeatedly as long as the condition is true, which means if we have a statement I equals to 0, while I less than 5, print I and increment the I with 1. So this will run till